Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Mantiques Network back with another new old stock, meaning something that was made back in the 70s but never used, from SPEER bullets, ammunition. So this is something you would see in some type of ammunition hunting store. As you can see, those are actual bullets themselves, so guys could check out the actual gauge. So if you are into SPEER, hunting bullets or whatever, or just looking for a great retail sign, I believe this is for you.
These are antiques. These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the